today our topic is noise pollution, and we have introduced the problem along with the solution through a rap. And we know that music makes us alive, so let's make us alive by making the sciences dance and by finding a solution throughout the rap. Okay, so please.
Okay. Types of pollution, there are many around. The pollution we have chosen is on sound. Physics. We went to the city and recorded the sound. The amplitude levels were out of bounds. The readings in the city had a high intensity. The decibel meter to reach its highest ability. Let's continue with our rap, Meri Behno aur Mere Bhaiyo. Let's move on to the next subject, that is bio. Places with more sound face faster cognitive decline. The sleep disturbance was for real, whether it is yours or mine. The psychological stress is needless to mention, coupled with lots of hypertension. Are you liking the rap so far? Please say yes.
Yes!
Let's move on to the next subject, ESS. Off we went to the countryside and observed many species reside. But as we entered the city, we saw little ecological diversity. So clearly in spaces with a lot of noise, it affected the region's range and choice. The only chemistry teacher in our group got angry since Manish sir said, only 2 minutes left. We started brainstorming as chem could not be bereft, but CSP is incomplete without chemistry. So while physics, bio and ESS have analyzed the problems, chemistry has a solution. Soundproofing. Using particulate nature of matter, the medium and structure, we use acoustics, and sound pollution we shall capture. Thank you.